Alright guys, welcome back. Half Fast 719. Super dehydrated again. Anyway, yeah, turbo pain in the butt. So this is a MPI kit for 16, 17, and 18. Definitely not for a 19. So, as you can see, we have a coolant line going up to the radiator. That's in the way on this side. So I had to cut this aluminum plate. Yeah, I'm probably gonna have to take this all off, this Donaldson air filter system. Gonna have to take it off because the might have to get to that intercooler again, which I might be able to get to it in here, but not with the air tube coming in. That's your intake. Goes all the way through. Goes into the Donaldson. Goes through the filters, which are impossible to get in and get out. Basically have to take this whole thing off. Then the air goes into the turbo. That's your cold side, I guess you can call it. And I still gotta run that blue hose to the wastegate. Just needs to be longer. Anyway, got the heat shield on. Got the exhaust on with the bracket. This was fine back here for my model. So, can't find my thing, my clamp, exhaust clamp. So got the what would that be? The hot side? No, yeah, hot side tube. This is your hot side. So your exhaust goes in, spools it, and then it cools it, and goes into there. So I do need to get fans. Probably gonna mount the fans on top. Probably gotta get 2 fans. Anyway, another coolant hose right here. I had to cut the bracket to fit. You can see it. Cut the bracket, disconnect the little clamp right over there. This was a nightmare. Still have to do my O2 sensor down here somewhere. I might run it off here. Might run it up here. I don't know yet. But anyway, project in the works. My main thing is I'm trying to find that clamp. But I can't find the clamp. I have an exhaust clamp for the stock one right there, which will work, but I'd rather have the other one because I believe the other one is stronger. Anyway, yeah, so I don't know where it's at. Anyway, yeah, and then I gotta figure out this whole Evap deal, whether I'm plugging it all or relocating it, but it sits right there. So that's little shiny hole right there. Goes up there. As you can see, it won't fit. So I have plenty of room in there, but I might have to take the radiator out to do that. Anyway, guys, it's been a long day, pain in the butt day, and yeah, mainly getting tires on the wife's car took way longer than it should have. I'm just trying to look for the that band clamp as I'm going. Anyway, I have no clue where it's at. So, got a lot of cleaning up to do. Yeah, right now I'm going to stand still with the, yeah, that was fun. That's fun. This was kind of a pain in the butt to get in here. So, I ran that hose. Yeah, got those clamps. So, anyway, guys, these are my leftover parts. Some brackets, some other junk, some hoses, or a hose, I should say. Anyway, but yeah, that's all I got, guys. This has been a project. Don't know if the GYTR are different or any of the other ones are different, but I'm almost thinking if I didn't have this top mount intercooler deal and I just did like a, I don't want to say ghetto, but just a universal, it probably would have been better. So like maybe a silver kit or any other kits. But yeah, it was fun. It was great. That's all I got. So we'll see you guys on the next video. Don't know what it's gonna be, but I'm gonna go and ask the kid if he'll help me throw this cage on real quick. The new powder coated cage, which I probably shouldn't throw it on right now, but I want to get it out of the sun. Anyway, guys, if you guys see that hose clamp somewhere, make sure you comment below, because I can't find it. Cannot find it anywhere. Alright, yeah, and a ton of zip ties. Zip ties galore. So, we'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, do what you guys do. Later.